Hi everyone, I'm Catherine with Visa Harmony. Today I want to discuss an important part of the Form I-130. I have mentioned this a few times before. When filling out an immigration application form, you need to make sure to fill it out completely and correctly, because most of the time it is expensive to make a mistake. We at Visa Harmony, we provide free guides and tips to make your U.S. visa and immigration processing as smooth as possible. We also provide services to assist you with certain U.S. petitions and immigration applications. We have first-hand experience. We have gone through what you are going through right now, and we have helped a lot of clients already to arrive in the USA, receive green cards, and become naturalized U.S. citizens. I will leave our contact information in the description box. I have seen cases where this part of the Form I-130 was not correctly filled out. We actually have a few clients that we are currently helping with this exact same situation. This is the part where the form is asking if the beneficiary is currently in the USA to specify the city or town and state where the beneficiary will apply for adjustment of status. Or if the beneficiary is not in the USA and will not be applying for adjustment of status, then the beneficiary will be applying for an immigrant visa at a specific U.S. embassy or U.S. consulate. You need to choose and complete only one of these options. The beneficiary can either be in the USA or not in the USA. If both parts are left blank in the Form I-130 or both are filled out, once the petition is approved, the USCIS will be confused and not know where to send the petition case to. There is a process that the USCIS needs to follow, because if the beneficiary is currently in the USA, the USCIS needs to send the petition case to the local USCIS office here in the USA to continue the processing and prepare for the interview of the beneficiary. And if the beneficiary is not in the USA, the USCIS needs to send the case to the NVC for further processing. Then the NVC will send the case to the U.S. Embassy or U.S. Consulate specified in the form to prepare for the beneficiary's immigrant visa interview. Let's look at the specific approval letter or NOA 2. It says here, the above petition has been approved. However, you indicated on the petition that the beneficiary intends to apply for an immigrant visa abroad at the U.S. Embassy or a U.S. Consulate and will also apply for adjustment of status in the United States. Since you have indicated both options, USCIS has retained the petition. If the beneficiary intends to apply for adjustment of status in the United States, they should submit a copy of this notice along with the Form I-485. If the beneficiary decides to apply for an immigrant visa outside the United States based on this petition, you should file Form I-824 Application for Action on an Approved Application or Petition to request that we send the petition to the U.S. Department of State National Visa Center or NVC. The NVC processes all approved immigrant visa petitions that require consular action. For this second NOA 2, it says right here, the petition has been approved. However, you did not indicate on the petition whether the beneficiary intends to apply for an immigrant visa abroad at a U.S. Embassy or a U.S. Consulate or will apply for adjustment of status in the United States. Therefore, USCIS has retained the petition. The other message below is the same as the first one. If the beneficiary is outside of the USA, another form is required to be filed, the Form I-824, to continue the petition process. Currently, filing fee for the Form I-824 is $465, and processing is about a few months. One of our clients that we are currently helping with this situation had the Form I-824 approved in about 4 months. The additional filing fee and waiting time could have been prevented if the petition form has been filled out completely and correctly. So again, please read and understand the Form I-130 or any application form thoroughly, and I highly suggest to read the form instructions as well. If you have any questions on this topic, Please list them in the comment section below or send us an email at ask@visaharmony.com. Thank you and see you next time.